Hello everyone, this is a daily update for Money Squared YouTube channel. I suggest you to watch this video with 1.5x speed for better viewing experience. In this week I haven't been managed to be trade a lot, but let's start with GJ on a monthly time frame we flipped bearish after a movement in bullish and creating the wick. Weekly flipped also bearish, even though we formed some sort of support for bullish movement, but CPI news changed the direction of this pair. This day we just keep after yesterday with the CPI, we kept moving today just to the next support area. Now we have this new support right over here which we can tap potentially today or tomorrow. Today I believe, or next week, because weekly is engulfing. If we break these lows today on a Friday, next week we can expect all this week to be filled, or in the weeks to come. Doesn't have to happen exactly next week. On the 4-hour time frame we had this closure on Tokyo. London just made a move, create our candle formation, and then we just kept going down. Now we have this new support, the last support here, which we need to be very cautious of, because we moved a lot today, and it's tricky if we can break this or not, since this was the last support since October. And yeah, we moved here, like this was break of support, perfect continuation to the downside. New York Open was clean. We had this support right over here, we broke this support, we had the most recent support here, we closed below, and then we just continuing down. We have this clean traffic to the left mirroring this side. This was the perfect sell here. Could have been 45 pips for 70 pips take profit, but it is what it is. I was not in front of the charts. I have some personal reasons to believe. Monthly on gold is just moving up. We're retesting these highs happening in 2020 for COVID, and in March 2022 or March with a war in Russia and Ukraine. So we are in a very strong bullish momentum because of the low inflation for the dollar. So the decrease, not low, the decrease in dollars. So dollar is bearish, is having this bearish momentum at the moment. Gold is having this bullish momentum. Weekly is also very strong, closing this above here, breaking this resistance. Now it has this clean traffic to the left side, which is perfect. So in the past 2 weeks we moved 840 pips, which is kind of surprising because usually in January there are not a lot of movements in the market. If we close above this support, above this previous resistance over here, I believe we can come and retest 1950 in the next days / weeks to come. 4-hour time frame was very tricky. As you can see, all these weeks it was very tricky to trade. 2 hours also tricky. 1 hour here could have been like previous support buys above here, but it's very tricky again, like forming support in New York and then just moving to a downside after all this bullish momentum. It's not easy to take these trades because you expect for some sort of retracement, but gold is having very quick retracements all the time. You can see all these retracements not having, except from here, we don't have areas of unfilled gaps, as we can say. But the good thing is that price is always clean traffic, clean traffic, clean traffic is mirroring the clean traffic area, so it's very good for our trading plan. Our trading plan also, after making this high here, came back, formed support, break the highs. This was a very clean buy. Unfortunately, I was not in front of the charts. And yeah, that's about it for gold. Like, you have this 120 pip movement since New York Open. And yeah, these are not very good analysis, because I'm not very interested in taking trades, as I have some personal other stuff to do. I'm missing some good moves, but it's okay. These good moves happen all the time. It's not that we will not have movements again. So it's good to not jump into the charts, and if you're not very good, if the environment is not good to trade, we don't need to necessarily take trades. And yeah, that's about it. 1 hour closure. We have a 1 hour closure above this support. We have clean traffic till the next. Now we don't have, we have this rejection, but next resistance is right over here. And yeah, and then we have another one right over here. But it's okay, we have strong momentum to the upside. We can, I believe today we can tap 1918. So yeah, let's see. Go GJ closed also bearish, but we are close to the support. So on GJ I would expect some sort of retracement after all these move to the downside, and then continuing to roll to the downside. But today is already very late. It's 4 o'clock on my time, and it's Friday, so yeah, I don't expect to have much more movement today. We're gonna check the daily roundup, and if we have this, you can see here is also our candle on New York. This is perfect. New York Open made our candle formation. This was the best sell I could have taken, one of the best trades with 15 pips and 70 pip take profit. This was perfect, but yeah, it is what it is. Next time we're gonna take these trades. We have also here on 30 minute on the pre-London. So yeah, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, support the channel. I hope this video is helpful, even though the analysis was not so good. But yeah, as you can see, based also on my analysis, I'm not very hyped into getting into trades. But from next week, not next week, from in 2 weeks, I believe we're gonna go back, because next week I have an important exam. And yeah, have fun, enjoy. Don't trade when your environment is not, when you don't have the calmness in your mind to trade. Thank you for watching. I see you guys on a daily roundup.